Today's April 29th, 2018. This is day one of my Autopot garden. I didn't have a garden in 2017 because I moved, and then 2016 I did a few videos but didn't finish out the project, but I hope to this season. First, I'd like to point out here up top is I got a new Flexi tank. That's through the Autopot website. It's 25 gallons. It replaces the two 12-gallon plastic tanks I have, and it seems pretty convenient. It's working well. And then the plants I have for this growing season, we'll start with the very back plant there. That's a tomatillo, a purple variety. And then we have a tomato. This is a Martino Roma. And then here's another tomato, a Eva purple ball tomato. And the other row we have that's a pepper-yolo. It's like a sweet bell pepper. And we have a poblano there. Next one is serrano, and then we have some arugula. So I'll try to update my garden every 1 or 2 weeks, and we'll see how they grow this season.